In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog using the Hostinger website builder. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or a complete beginner, this tutorial will guide you through the initial steps of setting up your blog with ease. Hostinger is a popular and user-friendly platform that allows you to design and manage your website with little to no coding skills required. So let's jump right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Hostinger website. This is where everything starts, and it's your main hub for managing your upcoming blog. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login section and sign in to your account or create one if you haven't done so yet. Having an account is essential as it gives you access to all the tools and features you'll need for your blog. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on the Websites tab. Clicking here will navigate you to a page that displays all the current websites associated with your account. It offers a clear overview and management options for each one. If you have multiple sites, this is a simple way to keep track of them. Now locate the website you wish to work on and click on Edit Website. This will launch the Hostinger Website Builder interface, a powerful tool that makes editing your site straightforward and intuitive. You'll notice several options on the left-hand side navigation bar. It's your go-to panel for customizing your blog. Among these options, find and click on Blog. This section is specifically designed for managing your blog posts, categories, and comments, allowing you to effortlessly keep your content organized. This is an essential step as you'll be spending a lot of time here once your blog is up and running. After clicking Blog, look for the button labeled Add New Post. Clicking this will enable you to start crafting your very first blog post. You will be taken to the blog editor page, where you can insert your title, write out your content, and format everything to your liking. You can preview how it looks in real time, ensuring everything appears just as you want before going live. In part 1 of our tutorial, those are the basic steps you'll need to get started on Hostinger. We've covered navigating through the main interface, touching briefly on the broad range of options available. In the next parts, we'll dive deeper into customizing your site design and optimizing your posts for better visibility. So stay tuned, and until then, happy blogging.